Good evening mga kapuso! Happy to be back ang American Idol alumnus na si David Archuleta sa Pilipinas para sa kanyang concert this weekend. But bumisita pa siya sa GMA Network kung saan may pati siya sa upcoming performances na dapat abangan ng fans. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Pinoy Archies Unite!
Hi, David! Hi, David!
After 6 years, nagbabalik bansa si American Idol Season 7 alumnus David Archuleta. Kaninang umaga, nakipagtsikahan siya sa unang hirit. Isa raw ang Pilipinas sa pinakamalapit sa kanyang puso at ang warmth ng mga Pinoy ang gusto niyang balik-balikan.
They're so welcoming, they're so kind, they're so cute. Like they're so shy, but they'll still like come and be friendly and talk, and I love that because I feel like that's how I am. So I'm like, oh my gosh, we're the same. So it's I feel like that's why I get along with everyone here so much, because they remind me of how I act.
From being a cutesy singer, malaki na raw ang pagbabago ni David. Mula nang umaming queer noong 2021, mas confident at nailalabas na raw niya ang kanyang authentic self, maging sa kanyang music. At sa mall show niya bukas at sa concert sa Sabado, he's going to treat his Pinoy fans to a lot of love songs na minahal natin sa kanya at mga mamahalin pa.
I've added a couple of songs like that I feel like Filipino fans specifically would enjoy to hear. A special guest coming as well that I'm looking forward to performing with, so that'll be a lot of fun.
David, bukod sa Pinoy Archies, ano ba ang miss na miss mo sa Pilipinas?
I always like to eat wherever I go, so always to enjoy the Filipino food as well.
Via Instagram, nagpasalamat din si David sa fans na nagbigay sa kanya ng Philippine Mangoes. Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.